I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone must run a recent iOS version, and you need an active Google account with two-factor setup. Once done, install companion apps like Chrome or Google Drive only if the service requests them, and grant basic permissions so sign-in flows work. Make sure storage and network are stable. This prevents timeouts later. Now open Safari or Chrome and prepare to use a browser-based or cloud streaming path, rather than expecting a native Play Games app. Next, you connect to the Play Games experience via supported browser pages or a cloud streaming service that hosts Android games. Sign in with your Google account, and when prompted, enable cookies and pop-ups so the session stays active. This is why you prepared the browser. If the platform offers controller pairing or touch mapping, follow on-screen pairing steps to map controls. This improves playability on iPhone. Once linked, synchronize cloud saves or account progress so you don't lose your spot when switching devices. To finish, launch a short play session and verify performance. Check input responsiveness, audio, and that your saves sync correctly. If controls or sound fail, first toggle browser or app permissions, then restart the app or browser tab. Often that resolves session authorization issues. If you encounter region restrictions or persistent instability, clear site data or try another browser, and as a last resort, use a reputable VPN to match the required region. These steps get you playing Google Play titles on an iPhone reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.